I think we got a bigger issue here. Screaming up there. I heard something, that's for sure. I don't know if that's someone sitting up there or not. Righto, kiddos, let's go. That was one of the nicest spots that I've been to for a long time, so. Das Laub. Damaged. I've just been driving around trying to get it fixed and went to change my brake pads, and I think we got a bigger issue here. Just got some GYG, come down here to have some dinner. Come across this really nice spot, so the best couple days. My car's broken. Had to travel late to get some parts for it. Places like this sort of remind me that we're lucky. We're lucky to be alive, experiencing stuff. And you know, the cars, they're important, yeah. You know, it's not everything. There's a lot to be grateful for. So yeah, I'm currently going to pick up my kid. Those who didn't know, I've got 2 kids. I got a 6-year-old boy and a 2-year-old girl.